Hello, welcome back to the Search for Status. So yesterday we have learned about how to implement the edit text and entering that text into this form. So today we'll learn about radio button and checkbox. You have seen that so many websites they have a form, fill up the form and input the data. So we have the same thing we'll do in the Android app. We have to just implement the radio button, selecting the data, and radio button is basically used for select a single data. We have the multiple options there, but we have to choose the only single data. So for the checkbox we can select the more than one options in there. So if you wanted to select more than one options, then we have to implement the checkbox there. So we will see that how to implement the checkbox and radio button. You can refer to this our website Salesforce dealers. In this website so also you can check out that how this can be done, and we have so many notes there, so you can follow up these things in here also. So let's start then. So first of all we just open that rendered project, existing project. It will take a while to set up this project. You can see that we have done that edit text in here, so we will remove that edit text and we'll use the checkbox then there. Just copy this code and paste it in here, and we'll see that how it looks like in the layout validator. So it looks like as simple as in that website also. There's that same thing. So you can see that the screenshot we have posted in here, it look the exactly same thing. So here what will happen, I will discuss with what are the properties in there. So first one is the ID. So ID is basically used to get the data from the checkbox. So we'll see that this checkbox is ticked or not ticked. This checkbox returns true and false. If it is already ticked, so it will return the true. If it is not ticked, then it will return the false. It's basically a boolean data type returns. Next we have the layout width and height. So we have already discussed that wrap content. What it will do, it will cover the those width according to that content, and height is also depends on the content. Where the text could be anything. It's just a string things. So checkbox could be that any gender, want to enter any gender, or you can enter anything there. Checkbox, so fruit name, apple, or if you wanted to add some other, just copy this whole checkbox thing and just paste it below of the here. So we have discussed later that this orientation is vertical, so that's why it will appear in vertical. So you can see here one more thing is that red line is showing because we should use unique ID number. I already told you that. So every ID number should be the unique, otherwise it will show the error, because computer could not be compromised that it will not identify to which checkbox is returning this values, so it may be conflict with the same ID. So we just copy paste in here, so it will take a while, it will be appear in here. So apple I have written here, so here we can write any fruit name there. banana banana or apple, you can choose the both things or a single things, depend just on us. It will take time, it will display in here. So if it will take some extra time, so just close this layout thing and open it again. So it basically check that if this code is correct or not. If it is code is anything is wrong in there, so it will not appear in the screen. So as you know that Render Studio is a very big tool. So you have seen there is so many predefined libraries in there. After installation, its size will be that more than 2-3 GBs. So it's just taking the some most of the RAMs. That's why it's taking some time.